Alors, l'appel is for staff only. Please, take a seat. We will serve you at the table. Prefer to stand? Okay. You can share my view. It is magnificent, no? The scenery, the ornate lights, the floor tiles, even the flowers and ribbons carved in the walls, sumptuous in every detail. And of course, passengers too. This is a place for only the finest ladies and gentlemen. Don't look now, going down the stairs. That's Monsieur Astor and his wife. The richest man in America. He owns many grand hotels. Well, he's a homegrown, no? Perhaps he'll take up some new ideas. Like the ladies. They bring the latest fashions from Paris to show off in American ballrooms. Monsieur Astor is in Europe on honeymoon, but really he's hiding after the great scandal of his divorce and second marriage. He's 47 and his new wife, only 18. And over there by the window, Monsieur Guggenheim is with our French singer, Miss Leontine Aubert. But is she his wife? I know. Truly first class is a different life. The valet, chauffeur, maids, mistresses, traveling from country to country. It's not a big passport you need, but a big wallet. I speak, how do you say, I am a first-class steward on the White Star Line, SS Nomadic. I'm very proud of it. Now, what can I get for you? A cocktail? Manhattan? Some coffee? Some white wine? Perhaps a glass of champagne. Can I just see your tea? Zoot! This is for second-class passage. You cannot be in here. Off with you. If you want to drink, there is a water fountain in the second-class lounge.
Bonjour, Capitaine Boitard at your service. Not long now and we'll be on our way. The big liner? She is a little late, no? There was a delay in Southampton. Well, my men can have a rest after loading all the luggage. Our first-class passengers, they do not travel light. So, what do you think of her? Quite a beauty, eh? Built by Harland and Wolff in Belfast in just 4 months. I collected her down myself. They are world-class shipbuilders. She's a wonderful vessel. Above deck we have the finest of luxury, and below 2 boilers, 2 steam engines, and 2 huge propellers. Very modern, very smooth sailing. The Nomadic is a miniature of the Titanic, you know. Well, they say the best things come in small packages, no? Not like the paddle steamer I captained before. A slow, flimsy thing. It made my passengers malgenaire, seasick, and so small. You know how many the Nomadic holds? 1,000 passengers. C'est vrai. I'm proud to serve White Star Line, and proud of my crew too. I have 6 officers on the bridge and 7 men working the engines. Fine company. We are fully loaded. Now it is time to meet the Titanic. Excusez-moi, I must attend to my ship. Why not step out onto the bridge deck and enjoy the view? The port of Cherbourg is very beautiful in the twilight. Imagine, in a few days' time, we'll be seeing the skyscrapers of New York.